Hello everyone! Now when you know the idea of the special family album, I'm going to share with you an example from my therapy experience. In this lesson we're going to speak about what can happen with a person if he or she didn't get much parents' love, touch and understanding in young age. Best way to show it is to tell the story. One of my clients came to therapy because she couldn't, as she thought, find her way in life. Had problems with relationships, couldn't find the right person, also left home at 18 years old and worked and lived abroad. Left her mom alone in the hometown. While we were working with her feelings in present, we touched her young age experience. What we found out that her mom didn't give much attention to baby. Early started work, left daughter to grandparents, also divorced, and blamed her daughter that she couldn't make her dad stay in the family. So what kind of message from the mother my client could get if she did not see her mom much, did not get loving attention, and almost never saw her mom happy? Only tired from work, never have time to cuddle and play. The message was, my dear mom isn't happy with me. I must be bad person. So if she treat me bad, I worth it. And this is the only thing I worth. And this is what happens in the mind of kids when parents ignore them. Kids can't understand in young age why daddy never comes, but they can scan the situation from their side and decide that this is their fault and that's mean they're bad. Such kids want to earn parents' love and attention to feel better. They test reality, and if nothing happens, they can start to be sick all the time, because when they feel bad, parents spend time with them. Or they can start being naughty, because punishment is also an attention from parent. But there is other side. In childhood, we are initially at the center of our own university, interpreting everything that happens from an egocentric point of view. When our parents or grandparents tell us that we are the sweetest, most wonderful creatures on the earth, we don't question that words. It must be so. And deep down, no matter what else we learn about ourselves, we will keep that feeling that we are just lovely. That means that we are good. In transact analysis, there are 4 types of statements that people form about themselves and the other people in young age. They are: I'm okay, you okay. I'm okay, you not okay. I'm not okay, you okay. I'm not okay, and you not okay. These statements are the basis of our self-appraisal, and we get it in our experience with our parents. More about that concept you can read in Thomas Harris' books and also in John Bowlby's researches. In the end of our course, I will give names of all the books that can help to understand more about the baby's psychology. All these fundamental researches makes us 100% sure that early relationships of baby and his parents affects all his next life. But such things as long ignorance, bad treatment, latent hostility, most of the time it's unconscious, like I love my child but my boyfriend left and I blame it on my baby, and so on, that things still happen. And we still have a lot of suffering adult people who didn't know the proper language of love from the days they was born. Very often that people live and doesn't know that frustrating feeling that they have inside, it's pain of not having value for their parents and so for other people in their life after. All these and many other negative aspects can take place in any life of every person. And to have the trigger, to have a symbol, to have a certain place where you can take your bright memories of love, this is our album. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.